Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to factorize the expression 81z square minus 121. Now in order to solve it further, we have to simply write the terms in a different way. That is, we can write 81z square as 9z whole raised to the power 2, and similarly we can write 121 as 11 whole raised to the power 2. Now this is nothing but in the form of a square minus b square, which can be further written in the form of a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now if you compare a square minus b square with 9z whole square minus 11 square, so upon comparing a square minus b square with 9z whole square minus 11 square, we get a equals 9z and b equals 11. Therefore, this can be written as a minus b, that is 9z minus 11 multiplied by a plus b, that is 9z plus 11. Therefore, 81z square minus 121 is equivalent to 9z minus 11 multiplied by 9z plus 11. So this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you.